So here it says that question number 8, in the figure given below, line L and M are parallel. Line L is parallel to M. Find the value of X in each case. Okay. So here I can see one thing, what? That this particular angle and this particular angle are equal. Based on what reason? It is
Exterior
exterior
alternate.
alternate angle. So they are equal. So when I'm saying they are equal, what does that mean? That means I can equate 7x plus 7 is equal to 8x minus 8. So this minus this 7x, I will going to transpose here. So that will become minus 7x. Similarly, this minus 8, I will going to transpose here. So it will become plus 8, and this 7 will come as it is. Okay. So in next line, what I'll do? Okay. So what is 8x? 8x minus 7x? It is
One.
only x. Yes, it is 1x.
Yes.
And 8 plus 7 is, it is 15. So I got the value of x as 15. Got it? So recording in progress. Okay, so in the given in the figure given below, find the value of x, y, and z. So this arrow sign indicates that PQ and RS are parallel. If this is parallel, this is transversal. So x I can very easily get, that is 130 degree. What is the reason? Corresponding angle I can give. Similarly, this and this are parallel and this is transversal. So Z I can very easily say that Z plus 50 is equal to 180, and the value of Z will be 180 minus 50, that comes to 130 degree. What reason I will give over here? I can give here a reason as
Supplementary.
no, not supplementary angle. What is called supplementary angle? Supplementary angle is this angle. If there is a line, okay, like this straight line, and say this is one angle, then I will going to call this angle and this angle as supplementary angle. Here,
Sum of
this angle,
interior.
yes, sum of interior angles of one side of a transversal is equal to 180 degree. That is the reason you have to give. Or you can even remember by the name co-interior angles. Co-interior angles sum to be 180 degree. Based on that, you will get the value of Z as 130 and the value of X as 130. Now, I need to find the angle Y. No, now you know that angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle is what? That it is sum of interior angles of a triangle measures 180 degree. That's what is sum of interior angles of a triangle is. So if I have triangle like this, say if I consider this triangle to be like this, okay, like this, okay. Here I will going to say this point as P. Here I will going to say this point as A, and here I will going to say this point as Q. Now this is 50 is given to me. So this will be 50 degree. It is given to me here. Okay. Whereas this particular angle is not given to me, but I know that this particular angle is nothing but this angle which I can get from 180 minus 130, that comes to be 50 degree. Okay, so I got this 50 degree here. Why I got this? What is the reason I will give here? Here you can give supplementary angles, okay, or linear pair of angles also it will do. Okay, now here this is my Y. Okay, this is my Y. So I know angle sum property of a triangle measured what? 180 degree. So Y plus 50 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. So Y plus Y is 100. 100 will be transposed there. It will become minus 100. So 180 minus 100, you will get 80. So 80 is the value of Y.